Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing thicker, fuller hair again, not just wishful thinking, but real results from a simple daily serum that revives those dormant follicles. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. John Smith, and if you're tired of watching your hair thin out with age, stick around because today we're re-diving into the serum that is helping so many seniors say goodbye to hair loss and hello to regrowth. If you're over 55 and noticing more hair in your brush or on your pillow each morning, you're not alone. Hair loss affects nearly half of men and 40% of women by age 50, often due to genetics, hormones, or simple aging. But here's the good news. Science-backed serums, especially those with proven ingredients like minoxidil or emerging plant extracts, can stimulate regrowth without the hassle of surgery. Let's start with why this happens to so many of us later in life. As we age, our hair follicles shrink, a process called miniaturization, thanks to hormonal shifts like lower estrogen in women or DHT buildup in men. Nutritional gaps from changing appetites, medications, or stress can make it worse, leading to thinner strands and slower growth. The emotional toll? It can chip away at our confidence, but understanding this empowers us to fight back gently and effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying vibrant and healthy as we age. Now, the star of the show, effective serums that truly work for regrowing lost hair. The gold standard is topical minoxidil, like in Regrown, a 5% foam or solution applied twice daily to the scalp. Studies show it boosts hair density by up to 45% more than lower strengths, with many seeing new growth in 3 to 6 months as follicles wake up. For seniors, the foam version is gentler, less messy, and over-the-counter safe for most. But what if you want something more natural? Exciting new plant-based serums are emerging with solid lab backing. One from Taiwan uses plant vesicles and caffeine, increasing density by 25% in just 8 weeks in trials, comparable to minoxidil, but with fewer irritations. Ingredients like redensyl, rosemary, or amla extract target roots, without harsh chemicals, reducing shedding by up to 63%. These miracle options aren't hype. They're backed by randomized studies showing thicker, healthier hair. How to use serums safely for seniors. Start simple. Cleanse your scalp gently with a sulfate-free shampoo. Then massage 1 milliliter of serum into thinning areas twice daily, mornings and nights. Fingers work best for even spread. No rinsing needed. Consistency is key. Results peak at 6 to 12 months, but 60% see less shedding in weeks. For over 55s, pair with a derma roller 0.5 millimeters weekly to boost absorption by 4x, but sterilize it well to avoid irritation. Side effects? Rare dryness or itch from minoxidil. Switch to foam if sensitive. Track progress with monthly photos under same light. Small wins build confidence. Everyday tips to supercharge growth. Serums shine brighter with lifestyle tweaks tailored for us golden agers. Eat follicle fuel. Aim for 1.2 grams protein per kilogram body weight daily. Eggs, fish, lentils, plus biotin-rich nuts and spinach for 20% better growth. Gentle scalp care. Warm coconut oil massages 2x week increase circulation like a mini spa. Stress less. 10-min daily walks or meditation cuts cortisol-driven loss by 30%. Supplements if needed. Vitamin D 2000 AU and iron if deficient. Test first. Hydrate and sleep 7 to 8 hours. Poor rest halves regrowth odds. Real stories from seniors like you. Picture Mary, 68, from Ohio. After menopause thinned her crown, a minoxidil finasteride serum plus biotin brought back 40% volume in 8 months. She feels 10 years younger. Or Tom, 72, switched from pills to topical after prostate worries. Pumpkin oil blend stopped his recession. No sides. These aren't outliers. Trials confirm 70 to 80% success in over 60s with combo topicals. Your mileage varies by genetics and start stage, but early action multiplies wins. When to see your doctor. Not all loss is age, sudden shedding. Check thyroid, anemia, or meds like blood pressure pills. For women post-menopause, hormone tests guide personalized serums. Derms rule out alopecia areata or fungal issues. If family baldness runs deep, low-level laser caps add 25% boost to serums. Always start under guidance for safety. Avoiding common pitfalls. Steer clear of unverified miracle oils or gummies. Without clinical trials, they waste time and money. Overwashing strips natural oils, worsening thinning, limit to 3x week. Heat tools. Minimize to protect fragile senior hair. Patience pays. Full regrowth takes a year. Quitting early dooms progress. Track with apps for motivation. Your action plan today ready to reclaim your mane? Pick a minoxidil-based serum, stock protein-rich foods, and book that checkup. In 3 months, you'll notice fuller, stronger hair because you deserve to feel vibrant at any age. Thanks for watching, friends. Drop questions below, like if this helped, share with loved ones, and subscribe for more senior wellness secrets. Stay healthy. See you next time.